Hi guys, welcome to another video from the series Belly Dance with Tahira. Today we will be talking about how to do a hip circle. A hip circle is a very popular movement in Oriental dance, so I hope you will like this video. And I also encourage you to check out the previous video. The link to this video you will have up here, so just click it and go there, because we were talking about very important things, the basic isolations in Oriental dance, and of course a proper body posture, which is a vital thing when we want to start Oriental dance. But today we will focus on a hip circle, so let's start from a proper body posture. Nevertheless, our feet are parallel, the knees are a little bent, the pelvis is a little bit tucked in, long belly, open chest, long neck, and beautiful arms pull out to the sides. And if you want to start doing a hip circle, first it's good to do 4 basic points which are present in this circle. The first 2 are the sides, hips to the sides, and this is what we've done last week. And this is, to be exact, the first and the third point in this circle: side, 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 side. And another movement is made with our pelvis. I will show you something that is not present in a hip circle, but I want you to really see how it works. So if I want to exaggerate this movement, I would do something like this. So I will pull my pelvis outside and try to lay down with my shoulder blades to the back. Yes, so this is a kind of movement which is a lot bigger than what we need, but I want you to see what we are going to do. So you can try to do this movement, so pull out your pelvis, and now what you want to do is to shorten this movement and do just a little bit pull, a little pull, outside, outside, outside. Yes, so still the backbone stays in one place, but you push out your pelvis. Hop and hop. So to the front and come back. This is our second and fourth point. Yes, and now we can do 4 of them. So we have our body posture, position of the body, and we've got first point, second, third, and fourth. So I've got side, push, side, come back, side, push, side, come back, side, push, side, come back. And the same to the other side. So we start with our left hip, side, push, side, come back, side, push, side, come back, side, push, side, come back, side, push, side, come back. And we were talking about how we want to stay isolated. So once again, I divide my body into 2 halves, and in the upper body I want my isolation. So I'm trying not to move the upper body. The hips are the part of the body which is actually working. And now we will try to draw a line between those points. So one smooth line, and I go side, push, side, come back, side, push, side, come back, side, push, side, come back. And the same to the other side, starting with your left hip, side, push, side, come back, side, push, side, come back, side, push, side, come back. So if you would look at yourself when you are standing, when you are facing the mirror with your side, so you will see that the hips are working in a circle, the upper body should stay isolated, and the legs, or you can think more even about the knees are also doing a little circle along with the hips. We don't want to have changing in our body weight, so the knees are not working front and back, they are in one line, but they are in this one line working along with our hips, also drawing a little circle. And if we make it really smooth in our position, we'll have a nice, really nice hip circles. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you can also add some basic hands to it. So let's put our right hand at the back of our head. We are in this nice position. You continuously doing the hip circle, and you can in the meantime change your hands, also work on your coordination, hips, and a circle, and you can change hands one more time, still doing the hip circle, hop and hop and hop, and one more change, hop and hop and hop and hop. Okay, come back and then stop, and now we're doing this to the other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're adding hand one more time. 1 and 2 and 3, and then change, still doing the hip circles. You don't stop, and you change hands one more time. Try to be fluent in the hips, a smooth, nice hip circle. Hop and hop, and change one more time. Hop and hop and hop, and come back to the position. And now let's try to do 4 times from right to left, and then stop, change, 4 times from left to right. And we go. 1, 2, 3, stop the other side. 1, 2, 3, stop and change. 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 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay, and this is how we do, and this is how the basic circle looks like in Oriental dance. So if you like this video, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, maybe something went wrong or you don't know everything you need to know to do this properly, please leave a comment below in the comment section. I will try to answer and I will try to help you make this happen. And I also invite you to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series. There are some more advanced videos in the theme of Oriental dance, of course, and there are also a lot of videos about the culture and the creativity and how to prepare belly dance choreographies and so on. So if you're interested in the theme of belly dance overall, I invite you to check out this series. And I also invite you here next week for the next video. We will be working on another basic movement in Oriental dance. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy your hip circles and see you next week. Bye!